Mistakes I made when creating 30 days worth of posting challenge that you don't have to. Number one was not planning content before I started. The first time I did this challenge, I was only able to post for a few days because life got in the way and I was like, I couldn't. The second time I did the challenge, I completed the challenge, but the problem that I had was I had batch created 15 content, and then the rest of them, I was scrambling through them as I was working a full-time job as well as juggling different projects at the same time. So you want to plan your content. Thinking that all of my videos had to be heavily edited. Don't get me wrong, I love creating the whooshes and swooshes. I know that's not a word, but it rhymes, so But if you have a full-time job and have other projects that you're juggling, creating consuming type of videos while trying to be consistent as well can be frustrating. Plus, sometimes your audience just wants to have a FaceTime moment with you. So make it easy on yourself, a little easier on yourself, and sometimes just create good content that you don't need to put a lot of editing effort into. And number three, not creating with a community. There's a reason why it's called social media. It works better when we create with one another. So if you want to start posting consistently on TikTok so that you can build awareness and build your brand and grow your audience, I encourage you to check out the 30 days TikTok challenge that I am creating, where I'll be guiding you to create content every single day so that you don't have to worry about what to post, when to post it, and also so that you don't have to make the mistakes that I made. What do you say? Am I going to see you there?